Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin now. Pour cold milk to 1/3 of the stainless steel pitcher because you need room for expansion. Hold the frother so the tip sits just below the surface at a slight angle. This draws air in. Switch on low power and keep the wand steady for a few seconds to seed bubbles. You do this to create consistent foam rather than big froth. Once you see steady microbubbles, prepare to move into the texturing phase to refine the texture and temperature. Once done with surface aeration, angle the pitcher to create a controlled whirlpool. You want circulation because it folds air into the milk and polishes bubbles into microfoam. Slowly lower the frother deeper to raise temperature to about 60-65 degrees. If you have a thermometer, watch it closely. Keep the motion steady and adjust power to avoid splattering. You should hear a soft hissing. This means proper texture formation. Make sure to stop when the pitcher becomes uncomfortably hot to touch to avoid scalding the milk. You finish by turning off the frother and tapping the pitcher gently on the counter, then swirling to collapse any large bubbles and integrate foam with liquid milk. Pour immediately. Start high to combine, then lower and slow your pour for foam control and simple latte art. Clean the frother tip and pitcher right away to prevent residue. If you see large bubbles or airy foam, let the milk sit 10 to 20 seconds, then swirl or briefly refroth at low power.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.